I said, no, there is no between there. Also give my to all of you who made yesterday possible. Indeed, it was a beautiful celebration, and I was humbled. We worked hard behind the scenes to make sure that the was as it was. But when they called me, they sent me SMSs and WhatsApp there. What a beautiful celebration. Congratulations. And for that, it's because of your hard work, your energy, and the time and effort you put to that. To Father Emil, Father Sufiri, and the team they had, who planned and prepared and worked tirelessly to make it a success. Thank you very much. I remember the bus from here to Port Elizabeth was 16 hours. And then the guitar Raymond is the first time to come on the area. But because I was dating the Ecclesiastical Bishop of his family is still today, Mathebula here happened, Archdiocese how the Mathebula was in the morning for I was money to the Ecclesiastical was money and then I thought to myself, hey, if I'm a little man, I give you started to but I keep meeting over for 16 hours. But we started talking, and then along the way we started planning our obligations. From the day we left, we thought, no, we must have so. And I remember saying to you, now I will not say a thank you speech, but I will play them and sit down. I will sit down. And that song it wasn't easy, but it was worth it. And even today, I still repeat that. The journey to where I am wasn't an easy one, but it is worth it. And it was made worth it because most of you prayed for me even when I was in our office. Kibuletu said that people were asking me, I can't only work. Some of them were even talking behind my back, but like, oh, God was faithful. But most of them assured me, saying, we are praying for you, hold on, don't give up. And because of all the prayers and support, I am where I am today. And I thank you very much. And I'd like to also thank Father Slimela for the wonderful work. After that, Hakabudra, but in the ways he gave to me and encouraged me as I began my journey as a priest, young priest, I would like to thank him and assure him that with his support and prayers, I will try to become the priest that God wants me to be. And for the Slimela, he used to teach us. A priesthood which does not produce vocation is an infertile priesthood. Congratulate him because I want to say I am in some way a vocation that was nourished by him through education for life. So he too can be proud to lay now as a priest, he has given birth to another priest. So thank you. Thank all the priests and deacons who are here from yesterday to support me, to show the fraternity that exists within the priesthood. And I'd like to also introduce them. The deacon and the corner there, Deacon Mathebula, as I introduce you, please stand. Deacon Mathebula is a new deacon of the Archdiocese of Zalini. Was ordained 23rd December. And then 2021 December, the deacon next to him was ordained. Deacon Mathebula. Deacon Mathebula was my classmate from co-orientation, co-offered co-institute, and we traveled together until so far. They are now in camp from the Diocese of Bethlehem. Next week, Deacon Emily from the Franciscan community. Then, Honorable Deacon Emmanuel Murray, it is also our classmate. He comes from Pretoria, currently working in Dar es Salaam in Sudan. Now, if I take to that, because there's a priest here, I will say it when I introduce him. He always says, I look like I come from Sudan. Okay, I'll go to Father Mathebula from the Diocese of Mathebula. He is also a Marian priest. Next to him is Father Mathebula from the Diocese of Zanir. He was a pastor. Next to him is Father Elias who comes from Pretoria Diocese. Next to him is Father Bongani Charles Manzini Carl. He's from Whitbed Diocese. Then there is Father Soli, cameraman in Pretoria, from our own diocese. He's the one who says, I look like I'm from Sudan. Every time he calls me, he says, Priula Wepremitina. Next to him, is Father Karamo Valoi from our Archdiocese, my holy boy. Next to him, is Father Vitumelo Mahoro from Zanir Diocese. Then Father Mudula Mufamati from Kronstadt Diocese. Then Father Donald Mabitela from Pretoria Diocese. Then Father Kalizo from Bethlehem Diocese. Next to him is Father Sadi Fuke, also from Bethlehem Diocese, working with Father Pliki Nixon Record from Zanir Diocese. And then Father Isaac Ramaphosa from Disco Center. Then our dean, Father Emil Kaembe from St. Vincent in Teguisa. Then Father Sininela, Father John Sininela, he is the vice rector in the seminary. He is one of the priests who are responsible in producing the priests we have here today. And he is also from the Diocese of Zanir. Father Opa Kare from the Diocese of Texas. Then our own parish priest, Father Robert, you all know him. And I've just been told that Kunale Father Sifiri Mathebula outside, those who are outside, you can stand, they will clap for him. Thank you very much. Everybody pray for me as you did when I was still a seminarian. The real journey begins now. The challenges that I will face now are not familiar to me like the ones in the seminary, because after 9 years you get used to the challenges you face as a seminarian. But now I have entered into another journey where I will face difficulties which I'm not familiar with. Continue to call me and check on me, Shapuna, are you right? And pray for me as you did. And may God continue to bless you, watch over you, and protect you. Hallelujah.